It's been said that fuels today are not like the fuels of 30 or 40 years ago, especially in how easily they develop microbial problems. With today's fuels, the question isn't if, the question is when. Micro problems mean producing biomass, plugging filters, degrading important qualities of the fuel, and speeding up corrosion problems in fuel distribution systems. And despite what people think, micro problems can happen in high-turn tanks, like retail gas stations, just as easily as they can in low-turn fuel that has been sitting for years. That's because each time that tank gets a new fuel drop, whatever's present in the tank is kicked back up, redistributing the microbes and continuing the problems. To solve this problem, removing the water from a system alone won't make microbial problems go away. It just makes them go dormant. And once the water inevitably comes back, the microbes come back as well, often worse than before. Microbe problems are only solved by killing the microbes. Taking water away or simply polishing the fuel won't kill them. The only thing that will is using a biocide, a fuel treatment designed for killing microbes in these areas. Not every product claiming to solve microbe problems will do that. Chemical water controllers won't do that no matter what they claim. A biocide is the only thing that will. How do you know if what you've got is really a biocide? There are several popular biocide chemistries out there that are proven to kill microbes in environments like fuel storage tanks. To know if this is what you've got, check its label for the 2 registration numbers from the EPA. If you can't find them, what you've got is not a biocide and probably won't do what you need it to do. But if you do find them, then congratulations, you found the only real solution for knocking out microbial contamination. But that's not to say they're all the same. Some biocides are indeed better than others. To make the best choice, you want a biocide that's going to start killing microbes quickly, completely kill as many different kinds of problem microbes as possible, and then keep killing them for as long as possible. A 4-week kill time is top of the scale. Lesser biocides have been known to stop working after as little as 1 week. Your biocide should work well in both the fuel and water phases, staying intact and killing microbes effectively in both layers. You want your biocide to be effective in both acidic and non-acidic environments, since acid-producing microbes are a common problem in these arenas. And you also want your biocide to add as little sulfur as possible. To meet all of these best recommendations, we recommend both Biocide and ClearKill biocide chemistries from Bell Performance. Both of these biocide chemistries are proven highly effective at killing completely the most common problem microbes while maintaining those kills for as long as possible. They work well in both fuel and water without the reaction problems mentioned earlier, and their effectiveness isn't compromised by changes in pH, and neither of them add appreciable amounts of sulfur. And as a bonus, ClearKill brings another thing to the table that other biocide chemistries can't. It also provides a corrosion inhibitor for extra protection from damage for your tank and system surfaces. Biocide and ClearKill biocide chemistries from Bell Performance, your essential biocide tools for wiping out microbial contamination problems for you and your customers. For more information, please contact your authorized Bell Performance representative.